Have you ever had somebody love you on a Monday and look at you like a stranger by Friday? Welcome, sit down. Today we're talking about the most silent relationship killer on earth. The resentment that builds in the cracks you don't notice until the whole thing caves in. It's like emotional black mold. No odor, no warning, just decay with good manners. Let's talk about why you can try harder, give more, apologize first, stay patient, and somehow they still drift further away. Here's the uncomfortable truth. People rarely pull away because of big problems. They pull away because of small emotional debt that never got paid. Every tiny hurt, every moment you shut down, every time you felt alone while sitting right next to her. Each one is a pebble. And relationships don't collapse because of one boulder. They collapse under the weight of thousands of ignored pebbles. Resentment isn't anger. It's unprocessed disappointment wearing a quiet coat. And when someone feels that over time, they don't explode, they just disconnect. They turn the volume down on the relationship until silence feels safer than trying. Here's the kicker. When you start trying harder at the end, they interpret it as panic, not partnership. A couple once told me, we don't fight, ever. People hear that and think it's relationship gold. But when I dug in, I learned they didn't fight because one person swallowed every need like it was toxic to mention. 3 years later, they were strangers sharing chores. That's the thing about unspoken needs. They don't go away. They ferment. Your brain remembers emotional pain 10 times stronger than positive moments. It's a survival mechanism. Hurt equals danger. So every time your partner felt unheard, unseen, or brushed off, their brain quietly bookmarked it under, don't get too close, it isn't safe. You can hug them, buy gifts, or plan date nights, but in their nervous system, if the nervous system doesn't trust you emotionally, none of that lands. So the resentment reset. The clean slate conversation, number one. No apology marathon, no interrogation, one question. What's one thing you've been carrying emotionally that I haven't made space for? Number two, the 24-hour rule. For the next day, don't fix anything. No defensiveness, just acknowledgement. People open up when they feel safe, not when they feel rushed. And then number three, the new micro pattern. Forget grand gestures. Change one tiny behavior that was creating the biggest emotional bruise. Consistency melts resentment faster than poetry. If this hit a note with you, please subscribe to my channel and let's walk a journey where we learn about people, rebuild relationships, and rebuild your life.